Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you like Squishmallows?
Just look at how big this frog Squishmallow is. It is so much fun. I love the lime green color of it. You can squish it all you want and it still holds its shape after you let go. The material inside is really flexible and soft, and it doesn't mess up the mold of the frog. It's not too much stuffing and not too little bit of stuffing, so it's really perfect. It's just so much fun to pretend you're the frog or just snuggle with it.
Smushmallows are all the craze now, and if you are wanting to purchase one, I would highly recommend this one. It's a nice size, it's big, you can use it as a pillow, just as a stuffed animal, just to look at, or build up your collection. I love it. My kids love it, and that's my point of view.